friends. Welcome back to Journey Spark, your favorite home for model spotlights, fashion inspiration, and celebrating incredible talent from all around the globe. Today, we are diving straight into the world of high fashion and iconic personal style. We're turning our spotlight toward an extraordinary model who is completely redefining elegance and capturing hearts every single time she steps in front of a camera. When you look at the fashion world today, it takes something truly special to stand out. It's not just about wearing a pretty dress or posing for a picture. It's about bringing an outfit to life with grace, presence, and authentic energy. And this featured model has mastered that art to perfection. From glowing red carpet moments and high fashion photo shoots to effortlessly chic street style looks, her wardrobe choices are a masterclass in elegance. She knows exactly how to choose colors, silhouettes, and textures that complement her unique beauty, showing all of us how powerful a well-put-together look can be. Watching her work is like watching a live gallery of modern art and style. But what truly sets her apart in the modeling world is the undeniable confidence she radiates. She doesn't just display fashion, she wears every look with pride, reminding us that true beauty comes from owning who you are and feeling comfortable in your own skin. Her poised attitude and warm, serene presence have turned her into a major style icon for fashion lovers everywhere. Through her incredible work ethic, dedication, and iconic aesthetic, she has built an enormous global fan base. She continues to inspire aspiring models, fashion creators, and everyday style enthusiasts to step up their wardrobe game and embrace their own inner star power. Thank you so much for joining us for another Model Spotlight today on Journey Spark. If you loved seeing this breakdown of high fashion and timeless elegance, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let us know in the comments below which of her iconic looks was your absolute favorite. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our next Model Spotlight. Stay stylish, stay confident, and we will see you in the very next video.